Wow, my phone's at like 4%. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you who are new to this channel, what is good? My name is Feza, and I'm just going to show you guys how to get this makeup look. This is my sort of everyday makeup look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's jump right into it. So I'm going to start off with my MAC Prep and Prime skin base, and I love this primer because it's not too drying or too oily. It's a great primer, it's very moisturizing. And then I'm gonna go in with my Sasha Buttercup powder to set my face before I start putting on my foundation, just to give it a softer, matter base for the foundation. For foundations, I like to use my Clinique and my Fenty Beauty foundation. Just 2 pumps. I like to like mix it on my face. And this is the part. Is that too much foundation? Jesus. Alright, we'll just blend it into the neck.
2,000 years later.
Keep blending, just blend. I like to go in with these two on my chin and all the way down on my neck, just to make my chest. Yeah, just watch what I do. Okay. Take my Sasha Buttercup once again, and I just pat that into my
making.
Okay, so usually I use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow to do my brows, but since that's missing, I'm going to use eyeshadows instead to do my eyebrows, and Nubian palette by Juvia's Palace. I've dropped this so many times, so please excuse how disgusting it is, but I'm going to take this brown color as my brows. Let's do this. So I'm just going to start off with the ends of my brows because those are the hardest parts. That's like the part where I really have to fake, because my eyebrows, they don't really exist. So we're just gonna go, and I'm gonna skip through this because I've done my eyebrows in other videos and it's not really changed. I'm about to do my eyebrows real fast. Watch this. Just kidding. The only things I did off camera was I powdered everything off. Here's the True Match. I've used this for so long. It's kind of not my shade, but I just use it to make my skin kind of like an even tone. I take my Milani Power in the color of Earth Glow. To my brows a little bit, just to make my face look sort of like symmetrical. And your girl is contoured. I love makeup. Makeup is like, the next thing I would do is blush probably. Like I usually before, like when I first started using blush, I used the e.l.f. blush palette, and I would use the darkest color. So with my Juvia's Palace palette, try saying that like 20 times fast. Juvia's Palace palette, Juvia's Palace palette, Juvia's Palace palette. Okay. So I use this orange color and I just mix the two, and it really sis, it comes out looking like somebody's son wanna marry me, you know? Okay, that's way too much blush.
What you doing? What you doing?
I'm just gonna take my powder and go over a little bit to just kind of cover up the blush and make it seem like it's my natural skin tone blush. And there, I look like a little cutie patootie. I've heard a lot of really bad reviews on this palette, but I'm testing it out for the first time today, so we'll see. And as you can tell, it's brand spanking new. And I think I'm gonna use the brush that it comes with. I'm going to take the Dawn color right here, and I'm just gonna put that all over my lid. Oh wow. Look at all this fallout. Look. Oh. Wow, okay. Alright, sis. Well, I'm just gonna put that all over my lid. That is some kind of fallout. Okay. Wow. Okay. I'm gonna take the color Mercury and I'm gonna put that in between my lid and my crease. Yeah. I didn't put out any primer because I'm a savage and I don't feel like it. To take Roxy, and I'm gonna put that on my lid just to give it a little orange tone. I'm gonna take the brown color Fudge and go into my crease. There's so much fallout. It makes me mad. I just wanted to see how these colors would turn out. So you honestly could have just used Fudge and Mercury. I just really wanted to see what these colors look like on my lid, because all the reviews that I watched were of lighter people, or of people with lighter complexions. So yeah, and yeah, that's basically what I do for eyeshadow. And wow, I'm sort of baffled with this palette as to how much fallout comes from this. I'm gonna take Adorn and I'm gonna put that in the inner corner of my eyelids. So I have these lashes I got off of AliExpress. I'll link them in the description. And I'm also going to do mascara and eyeliner. And then I'll come back and finish the rest of my makeup. Take Casablanca and D-Hay. And I mix those two and I use those as highlight. And it literally comes out looking bomb. I get carried away with highlight. But I mean, like, who doesn't? Right? I'm normal, right? This is the NYX lip liner in the color Mahogany, and I'm just gonna do the little V on top. with some setting spray. Fix Plus. And then you are done. Look how shiny my breasticles are. Thank you guys so much for watching. I totally forgot to film an outro, but here's some embarrassing clips of me trying to look cute while the camera was still recording. Yes. Thank you for watching. Bye. Wow, that's recording.